Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 2 headband wigs that this company on Amazon, well, this Amazon seller sent to me. So I guess this is like a headband wig haul. I've been wearing headband wig non-stop. As you can see, my hair is already braided and prepped, baby ear and everything. You know why? Because I just took off a headband wig and now I'm hopping into these 2 new headband wigs. So everything is already prepped, baby ear, braid, wig cap, everything. And if you guys want to see how I prep my hair for headband wigs, I have videos I can leave in the card and also in the description box. I have a bunch of headband wig videos, a bunch of videos how to braid your hair under a wig, but I just wanted to share these 2 new styles to see if, you know, I like it or you might like it. And at the end of this video, if it's worth it and you know you guys like it, I'll leave all information for these wigs down in the description box. So like I said, I have 2 headband wigs, right? I don't know which is which. I know the styles because I saw pictures, but it's my first time going to open them. Oh, this is cute. This is very cute. It says happy every day. This is a cute job and it's 2 of them. Listen, I could store more wig in this. So what comes inside this cute little drawstring bag is a wig cap, which is a black wig cap. I have the weaving net on, so I don't need this right now. And this is the hair, just the wig cap and the hair. So it doesn't come with headband. Oh, so I have to use my own headband. Every headband wig that I get, at least 2 headbands come in the package. So I'll go on. It's not right. But anyways, I mean, this is like a loose wave. I know I did a body wave video, but this is like a loose wave. But this is long. Your girl finna be Rapunzel out here.
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Alright, so as you can see, this is the headband Velcro. Let me see if no information about the wig. Sorry guys, I'm not get much information, but this is how it's looking. I don't know how long it is. I can't tell you. Let me see how much comb it has. one comb. And it also have the adjustable straps. So I guess the adjustable straps I do it. 1 comb and no headband. Okay, wait. I don't understand what's going on. What's keeping right now? Cause I guess I'll just put both of them together like this. Come on, if you want people to spend money on your stuff, please put in the work. Put in the work. Cannot even know all of the if you put the adjustable strap them in. You know what? Before I close the adjustable straps like this, let me put it on first and then I do that. So I'm gonna the 1 comb, I'm gonna stick it at the top right here. Trying to find the adjustable straps to put them together now. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead now and close the headband. Alright, the strap them not feel so bad. So thank God I have a headband right next to me. I could just go ahead and use. I mean, the straps are actually very comfortable on this wig. I ain't gonna lie. It's different from my body weight wig. And it's long, like, yes, I love long hair. All right, so this is the first wig. As you can see, it's like a loose wave. And it's not much I can do to this wig because it's already curled, it's straight. This is definitely like a throw on and go type wig. I mean, I could put it in a ponytail and stuff, but you know, simple and easy. I like the length, it's long. All right, let me show you guys. So I recommend this, something quick and simple and easy for just throw on and go. The curl nice, and not to do too much to it. And if you want to wear it in a ponytail, you definitely can. See, just grab it up in a ponytail like this, and this will be you. Alright, so we're gonna try out the next wig. So let's see what's in the next package. Oh, comes with a wig cap and a headband wig with the big old American flag. Anyways, so at least it came with a headband. Alright, so this is a tight curly wig. Hey, from this to this, make was there. I definitely like this one, the long one, for sure. I like it. Oh, all right, this is not go, even though it's one comb, it's not going anywhere, because to the other wig them, I pull them off so easy. This one, it's not going anywhere. Look there. But let's see how this one works. Pop off the tag. Same thing, let me see. Headband, one comb, and the adjustable strap. Kurly Sue. Wait a minute, I have to fix this. I know this, me know me can fix this up and it look good. But it's gonna take a little work. I love these straps. It's not too long in the back where it poke your neck. You know, some of them headband wig will poke your neck. This one, it's so snug, even touch your neck, and it's comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, it is comfortable. You know me, me talk the truth. Me talk the truth in a my video. Girl talk truth. Yeah. I'm gonna love this one for sure, but I have to figure out how we have to fix it first. No, maybe we just have to have it like just falling. I wonder if I could just, because I was gonna like spray it with some leave-in conditioner and like stretch it longer and stuff, but you know, with Florida when I want to go outside, that's gonna change everything. Looking like a little church girl there now. Yeah girl, yeah you. So this one, I'm not gonna do too much to it. I'm not gonna use the leave-in or anything or wet it up. I'm gonna just leave it like this for now. I'm pretty sure you'll be seeing this wig in other videos because I'm gonna be wearing them recording other videos. So if I change it up, I'll update you guys on what I did. But for now, this is definitely a throw on and go wig as well. I just throw it on. It just fall about the place like this. And I like it. It's cute. Just something different other from the straight and body wave. It's a cute wig. So these wigs are definitely wigs I will recommend. So easy to put on, easy and go. It not gonna wait, not drop off on my head. If you want like a big afro look, I'm pretty sure you can comb this out and get that. If you want like wet it and stretch the curl, make it look longer, but for now I'm not gonna do too much to it. Same with the body wave, well, loose wave. You don't have to do too much to it, put it on and go. So these two are definitely a throw on and go headband wig. I love them. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And also please remember to subscribe, like this video, share, comment down below your thoughts, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.